Hello everyone. Students, today I am going to start a new chapter because I have completed the adventure of Toto in my last class. And the today's chapter is from the book Moments, and this is In the Kingdom of Fools by A.K. Ramanujam. So let's see the information related with the author. The name of the author is Attipatte Krishnaswamy Ramanujam. Okay, he was born on 16th March 1929. Occupation: he was a writer, novelist, poet, philologist, folk lyrist, translator, playwright. Students, he has written so many books and novels. He has translated so many folk stories. Folk stories means गांव की कहानियाँ, and he has translated those गांव की कहानियाँ into English and other languages. His language is English and Kannada. He has written the books in English and Kannada. Okay, he is awarded with so many awards: MacArthur Fellowship, Sahitya Academy, Padma Shri, etc. So many awards he has received. Student, this chapter in the Kingdoms of Fool is a very funny chapter, and when you will read the lines of the story, you will have so much laugh. आप बहुत खुश होंगे इस कहानी को पढ़कर, and you will enjoy a lot when you will read the story. So without taking so much time of yours, I'm going to start this chapter, The Kingdom of Fools. Okay, actually student, this story is not written by A.K. Ramanujam. A.K. Ramanujam has listened this story as a folk tale. Folk tales mean गांव की कहानी के तौर पर A.K. Ramanujam has listened this story, and then he found a very universal appeal. पूरी दुनिया को जानना चाहिए ऐसा लगा उसको सुनकर. So he has translated this story into English. So originally this is not written by Ramanujam. This is translated by Ramanujam into English. Okay, hope you have understood everything related with Ramanujam and this story. So starting with our summary. Student, the story starts with a guru and his disciple. एक गुरु और चेले से in the kingdom of fools. Guru and disciple goes to the kingdom of fools. Disciple wants to stay as everything is very cheap. The disciple, the chela, wants to stay in that kingdom of fool because everything was very cheap, just for one dudu. Dudu is the currency of this story. इस कहानी में जो currency है, that is a dudu. Okay, the guru returns and his disciple stays back. Okay, because guru was very clever. Guru feels that living in this kingdom of fools is very dangerous, so he returns. But the disciple doesn't return. He eats plenty and becomes hugely fat like a bull. Okay, because everything was very cheap, so he eats plenty. Now the next episode starts. A thief gets death while robbing in a merchant's house. Student, now the new entry is happened. A thief was trying to steal money from the merchant house, and when he was just coming out from the merchant's house, the wall, diwar, falls on him and he gets death. And unexpectedly, the brother of the thief complains to the king that the merchant had not built the house perfectly and it took the life. अजीब है ना? The brother of thief has complained to the king कि मर्चेंट ने दीवार अच्छी तरह से नहीं बनाया और उसने उसके भाई की जान ले ली. And unexpectedly the king accepted this case and the trial starts. He summons the merchant. वो मार्चेंट को नोटिस भेजता है कि आ जाओ. मार्चेंट blames the bricklayer. मार्चेंट कहता है कि it's not his fault, it's the fault of a bricklayer who has built the wall. The bricklayer blames the dancing girl who distract him. ब्रिकलेयर जो है वो अपना दोष एक डांसिंग गर्ल के ऊपर दे देता है. हु डिस्ट्रैक्ट, जिसने उसको डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया. द डांसिंग गर्ल ब्लेम्स द गोल्ड स्मिथ. डांसिंग गर्ल जो है वो एक सुनार को दोष दे देती है. हु फोर्सेस हर टू कम एंड गो फॉर ज्वेलरी डिलीवरी. द गोल्ड स्मिथ ब्लेम्स द फादर ऑफ मार्चेंट हु फोर्सेस हिम टू कंप्लीट हिज ऑर्डर फर्स्ट. एक्चुअली होता क्या है कि मार्चेंट जो है अपना दोष ब्रिकलेयर को दे देता है जिसने दीवार को बनाया है. ब्रिकलेयर जो है वो अपना दोष उस डांसिंग गर्ल को दे देता है जो रास्ते पर आ जा रही थी. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट गर्ल ही इज डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. वह डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गया था उसको देख करके, उसकी ब्यूटी को देख करके, उसके एटीट्यूड को देख करके. नेचुरली इट हैपन्स. एंड द डांसिंग गर्ल बोलती है कि इट वॉज गोल्ड स्मिथ. यह सुनार था जिसने उसको बार बार आने जाने के लिए मजबूर किया. बिकॉज ही वॉज नॉट गिविंग द ज्वेलरी ऑर्डर इन द प्रॉपर टाइम. एंड when the goldsmith was called in the court, the goldsmith said that it was not his fault, it was the fault of the merchant's father. ये उसी मार्चेंट जिसका दीवार गिर गया और वह मर गया, उसके फादर की गलती है कि उसने दीवार को, उसने बार बार उसको ऑर्डर दिया और जल्दी उसका ऑर्डर को कंप्लीट करवाया. सो द किंग डिक्लेयर्स दैट द मर्चेंट्स फादर इज द मेन अक्यूज्ड and who forces goldsmith to come his order first. For that the goldsmith forces the beautiful lady to come and go. For that the beautiful lady distract the bricklayer and he makes a weak wall which takes the life of thief. So the real culprit is the merchant's father, but he is no more. अब वो है नहीं. So the merchant will be executed in the place of his father. अब उसका वो जिसने बनवाया था दीवार वो तो मर गया है, वो मर्चेंट, तो उसका बेटा है. So that son will be hanged in the place of merchant. So the new stake has been made. एक नया stake. Stake means a stake is actually made of the wood. लकड़ी का बना होता है. And in that the neck is adjusted and then the spade cuts down the head, chop down the head. So the new stake has been made for the execution, but it is bigger than the merchant's neck. लेकिन उसका साइज जो होता है वो मर्चेंट के गर्दन से बड़ा होता है. So the king orders to find a proper size person, and it's the disciple who has enough fit on the stake. Now the disciple understands the guru's word that this is the kingdom of fool and no one knows what will they do in the next. He requests his guru to save his life. The guru comes, makes a plan and start fighting to be executed first on the holy stake. गुरु आ जाता है अपने चेले को बचाने के लिए और वो फाइट करना शुरू कर देता है अपने चेले के साथ कि वह पहले मरेगा. द किंग एंड द मिनिस्टर आर वेरी कंफ्यूज्ड टू सी दैट कैसा पागल लोग है, मरना चाहता है. दे आस्क्स द रीजन. द गुरु एक्सप्लेन्स अ फेक स्टोरी that the first executed person will be the king of this kingdom and second will be the minister. यानी जो इस स्टेक पर आज सबसे पहले मरेगा वो किंग बनेगा और जो सेकंड होगा वो मिनिस्टर बनेगा. फाइनली द किंग डिसाइड्स टू बी एग्जीक्यूटेड इन द प्लेस ऑफ द गुरु and the minister in the place of the disciple. ओके, दे डिस्गाइजेस, वो लोग वेश बदलते हैं गुरु और चेले का, दे डिस्गाइजेस देमसेल्फ एंड दे रीचेस एट द प्लेस ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन एंड दे वुड बी एक्सक्यूटेड, उनको मार दिया जाता है. In the last of the story, the guru and the disciple accepts the request of the subject. Subject means the people living in that kingdom of fool, to be the king. वहाँ के लोग जो है कहते हैं गुरु और चेले से कि आप लोग राजा बन जाइए, एंड द मिनिस्टर, एंड दे चेंज ऑल द ऑर्डर रूल्स. वो लोग राजा बन जाता है, वो सारे पुराने नियमों को चेंज कर देता है. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नियम? सब कुछ 1 रुपए में बिकना, दिन को रात, रात को दिन समझना, ऐसा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, द मेजर थीम्स ऑफ इन दिस स्टोरी, आई थिंक आज टुडे यू विल बी वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज आई एम गिविंग यू सम हिंदी लेसन्स ऑल्सो. ओके, बट नाउ you must be worried because now I am going to explain the themes in completely English. Avoid the company of fools. This is the first thing. We should not live in the companies of fools. Even the wise enemy is better than a fool friend. Obey the instructions of elders. The disciple does not follow the advices of the guru and he is trapped in the kingdom of fools. So we must obey the instructions, the advices of elders. And the third major theme is importance of patience and wisdom. If you are trapped, if you are facing some problem, then you must have patience and you must trust on your wisdom. Okay, so don't lose hope and don't take any foolish decision. Keep calm, be patient like guru, and make a perfect plan to come out from that trap. Okay, so the wisdom is the very important, wisdom and patience is very important theme of this story. I hope you have understood the chapter and the themes related with this chapter. This is the one day chapter. In the next class I will give you some new thing. Okay, so you will note down this summary. आप इस पूरी summary को note कर लेंगे, and I am also giving you the question and answers. आप उसे properly note कर लेंगे. Okay, hope you have enjoyed the today's class. Have a nice day.